There's one more.
Other one.
Another one tricks.
The other one track.
I can see. Yeah, I'm gonna read the superheroes one. Yeah, just a little of the red one. It's not working. Just wait for this. Just put this hanger through. And then I'm gonna smash it. Smash it. Yeah. Ay, that's not. He's stuck in there. We need another tricks. You just take a picture.
Okay.
Why are we gonna take a picture a long time? Let's take a
Pag
picture.
naka-red ba na under yun? Yan na, ano na yan?
I'm gonna see the camera.
Bilang ba yung number sa taas? Na red?
No red.
I see.
Lucas.
Lucas! Ilan din na natuloy yung akin mo? Nabilang nga.
Ano natuloy yan o?
Hindi pa
That's
na,
not.
Siyempre.
1, 2, 3.
One more
ano pa yan?
trick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then one more. And now, it's not working.
What the? This also.
No. This is for Javen. Don't do it. Only my black one. Let's see it. Now time for another trick.
Ganyan lang pala talaga. Kakaba.
Okay. Time for another trick. That's much better. Now
I
time
can
for
see the
a better
I
trick.
think it's it's not
Yeah, see it, see.
Sahig yung nakapal.
Sahig yan.
Sahig ba yun? Yung patungan.
Huh? And I didn't see. I didn't see. I didn't see the monster truck. It's already. And
Tapos give na mami yan.
yeah. I'm trying. Okay. That's much better. And then the tire is there. It's all done.
Give na mami.